Hello students, I am Dr. Akshita Dhaliwal from Multanimal Modi College, Patiala. Today I am going to discuss with you Shelford Law of Tolerance. The organisms have an ecological minimum and maximum with a range in between, which represents the limit of tolerance. The concept of limiting effect of maximum as well as minimum was incorporated into the law of tolerance by the scientist V. E. Shelford in 1913. The existence, abundance, and distribution of a species in an ecosystem are determined by the levels of one or more physical or chemical factors fall within the range tolerated by that species. So, according to this law, there are upper and lower threshold values on the gradient beyond which the species cannot survive. These points are called as upper limit of tolerance and lower limit of tolerance. The whole range over which species is able to survive is called as range of tolerance. The tolerance ranges differ from one species to the another. So the prefix steno is used for narrow range and uri is used for wide range of tolerance. So according to this, the organisms are divided into various categories. For example, first is stenothermal. The organisms can tolerate only narrow range of temperature. For example, insects, reptiles, snakes, fishes, and in plants, croton, bougainvillea, etc. Eurythermal organisms can tolerate wide range of temperature like goat, man, cow, roses, daisies, and oak tree. The another term we can use is stenohaline, which can tolerate narrow range of salinity, for example, goldfish, haddock. Euryhaline can tolerate wide range of salinity like green crab, salmon, eels, herring. Stenophagic can tolerate narrow range to the food like koala, which feed upon only eucalyptus leaves. Stenohaline can tolerate wide range to the food like omnivores. Stenohydric, narrow range tolerance to water like black-tailed shinerfish. In plants, we can give example of bryophytes. Euryhydric, wide tolerance to the water, top fish, and in plants we can give any angiospermic plant. So this is the graph in which you can see the environmental gradient with the performance of organism. So in between this graph shows the optimum range of tolerance in which all the organisms are fit and their growth is maximum. Out of these optimum range, the organism's number is decreases and at the end the organisms becomes absent. Then the another term that is ecological amplitude. When the species differ from each other in terms of their demands or requirements from their environment and also in respect to the extent to which they can tolerate the fluctuations in the environmental condition, this range of demands and consequent range of tolerance of a species is known as its ecological amplitude, or you can say it is the range of environmental factors that a particular species can tolerate. Thank you.